Hey everybody, this is Jeremiah Reed Racing. We're back today. We're at Sports Park Raceway. We got Connor here. He's going to help us out today. This is Corey's son. Corey brought his car today as well. Stock car. Finally got it done. There's Brittany and Brianna. Say hi, Corey. So I drew a 182 today, so we'll probably start towards the back in the heat race. They don't have lineups finalized yet, so we'll see where we start. But as always, if you guys like these videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to help me make more of them. So see how we do. Okay, so obviously, as you've seen right kind of at the end when I was in the pits, the car had a miss to it. You know, we still were able to get to third. We had a miss. I don't know if it was 7 cylinders that we were running on or 6, but we definitely weren't running on all 8. We got back to the pits, kind of took a look over things. We either cleaned or changed spark plugs just to make sure that everything was good. Got everything ready, made a couple adjustments to the car, and somehow we drew the pole for the feature. Been a while since we started up front, so we'll see if we can hold it there. But hope you guys enjoy the feature, and we'll see you at the end. so I feel like that was our best run of the year. It definitely wasn't our best finish. We could basically hold it wide open on the top, and just I really didn't need that first caution to come out. I felt like and after talking to my crew, had a pretty good gap to second place, just in those first couple laps. So we really didn't need that caution. It allowed some of the faster cars to get caught back up. If we didn't have that caution, maybe we could have finished better, or tried holding them off. But um, just it is what it is. And then I kind of jumped the cushion a couple times, let the 56 get around. Shortly after he got around, motor started getting a little bit warm, started missing here and there, kind of off the power a little bit. And then, but we were still probably second or third best car at that point, and just kept jumping the cushion. It is what it is. I can't say, hey, it's my fault. So second play, or going for second, the guy pulled a pretty good slider. I saw it coming, checked up, tried to get back underneath him, but and felt like I got a good run off the corner, just didn't have the power down the straightaway. He kind of drove back up next to me, and I was stuck on the bottom. I was hoping to be able to clear him getting into turn one, but stuck on the bottom. And actually, it drove pretty good around the bottom in 1 and 2, but 3 and 4 I really needed to enter high, and obviously the other car was there. So, and then got settled back in third, kind of just chugging along. Couple laps left, caution comes out again. Cautions have kind of been our Achilles heel this year. But so on the restart third, felt like we got a decent restart. Somehow one car got on the outside of us. He had the position going in the corner. It was either let off the throttle, kind of run the middle a little bit, or take us both out. So take us both off the top of the track. So obviously I don't want to wreck anything. It's not worth it. So stuck in the middle, and as you saw coming off the corner, being stuck in the middle, you either had to be top to bottom, and I got freight trained down the back stretch. Once I got back to a line that was competitive, then I kind of settled back in. Too little, too late. Couldn't get back around anybody. Car was kind of off the power anyway. But so we finished 7th. Kind of finished where we normally finish, but I feel like we should have finished better. Definitely ran better than we finished. Just cautions killed us, and driver jumping the cushion killed us. So what do you do? Move on to the next race. Well, I'm glad we finally found some speed. But with that all being said, it was a good race for us anyway. And if you guys enjoyed it, hope you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to check out our Facebook, Instagram, follow us on Instagram, like our page on Facebook, and check out all our partner links down in the description below. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.